Dear all, Dragonforce Group launched a ransomware attack, making its first known attack. The attack on Saudi Arabia was first announced on February 14, 2025. The attack resulted in the exfiltration of over 6 terabytes of confidential data. Its deadline was set for February 28, 2025, the day before start of Ramadan. Dragonforce Group has released the stolen data, which includes sensitive documents related to company's operation and clients, making its first known attack on a large KSA enterprise entity. The targeted industries are major contributors to non-oil economy with different large-scale projects. These companies have complex IT infrastructures and handle in vast amount of sensitive data, makes them attractive targets for cyber criminals. The Dragonforce has been expanding its reach since on the scene in December 2023. This group is known for advanced tactics, including using customized CAPTCHA filters to prevent automated indexing. Dragonforce identified as they actively exploiting vulnerabilities include CVE 2021442228, CVE 2023468005, CVE 2024214112, CVE 2024-21887, CVE 2024211893. The Dragonforce attack on Saudi Arabia signifies an escalating cyber threat targeting high-value industries in the Middle East and North Africa regions. Mitigation strategies: refrain from clicking on links or opening attachments sent from unknown sources. Conduct effective cybersecurity awareness training for the organization's employees.